Finally, after the long wait, they are here live in the flesh, in person. So I hope you guys are ready. We're going to be hearing their voices as we go, so okay, guys. I suppose a welcome is called on here, so let's start here with Buddy.
Magandang gabi. Thank you for having us. We're so excited to perform tomorrow. Mga kababayan.
Mga kabayan, good evening.
Magandang gabi sa inyo.
Alright, there you go. So as they welcome you here tonight, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for us to open the